I did not have strength to strain it. Marinate and do its work. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your fave Anastasia, and in today's video I want to share with you guys how you can make your own glow body oil. So that is what this video is going to be about today. So without wasting any time, let us dive right into the video. So guys, what you need for this glow body oil is just palm kernel oil and camwood. This is palm kernel oil. I got this palm kernel oil from Zusi Organic Skincare, and I got this camwood. This is camwood. I got this camwood from Sinach. I think a Sinach organic raw material. That is where I got this camwood from. And camwood is reddish in color. Camwood is also known as African sandalwood. So these are the two things you need to make your glow body oil. You need palm kernel oil and you need camwood. And I mixed a teaspoon of camwood and I put it inside this palm kernel oil, and then I got this mixture. Okay, so you can see the sediments at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see the sediment of the camwood at the bottom. Normally you're supposed to strain this mixture to get a clear fluid, but I did not have strength to strain it, but let's just leave that one first. So this is how it looks like. A lot of us don't know the importance of palm kernel oil. We sleep on palm kernel oil because we feel like palm kernel oil is not good because it is not like coconut oil, or it is not like almond oil or sunflower oil. But palm kernel oil is very good for your skin. Palm kernel oil contains vitamin A and vitamin E. Palm kernel oil protects your skin from UV rays. Okay, it protects your skin from the harmful rays of the sun, and like I said earlier, it contains vitamin E, and vitamin E is very good for the skin. Okay, so palm kernel oil is something that you should incorporate into your skincare. Palm kernel oil also helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines when you apply it on your face. So palm kernel oil has a lot of benefits. Okay, palm kernel oil is very good for your skin, and that is why we're going to use it to make our glow body oil. For those of you who don't know what camwood is also known as African sandalwood, and camwood is a reddish powder. Okay, camwood contains antioxidant properties that help to like undo the damage that the sun has done to your skin. Imagine when you go out into the sun and then like the sun like damaged your skin when you went out. This thing is going to help to undo the damage that the sun has done on your body. It is very good because it can also help to remove wrinkles from your face. It is a very good powder because it helps to get rid of eczema. It helps to get rid of almost any kind of skin condition that you have. Okay guys, when you are making yours, you want to make sure that you filter your own oil. Like, it is not necessary you filter the oil, but I didn't filter my own. I used it straight even with the sediments. So you can decide to filter your oil, but I didn't filter mine. I used it like that, and I shaked it very well together, and I let it, you know, marinate and do its work for about 6 hours, and then I used it after 6 hours. Okay, so guys, let us go into the bathroom and, you know, do our thing. So while I'm waiting for the palm kernel oil to marinate on my body, I'm just going to treat myself to some shea eggs. Okay. That's the camwood. Camwood is red and stays in it, so that's the camwood. Actually baited after applying this oil on my body after an hour, okay, but you can leave yours on your body and overnight, and you can wash it the following morning. But the only downside to leaving it overnight is that the camwood stains a lot, okay. So if you want to leave it overnight, you have to make sure that you have like a bed sheet that you're no longer using, or something that you would normally put on your bed. You can spread like an old bed sheet or an old wrapper and sleep on top. Then in the morning you can wash it off. This oil has to like stay on your body for at least an hour or at least 10 hours straight for it to do its work. You can't just use this oil on your body and after 2 minutes you're going to take a shower. It's not going to work that way. It's not going to do its work, because it is not a leave-on product. It's something that you have to wash off because of the camwood. The camwood stains a lot, so you have to wash it off, okay. I personally have to start using this regularly because I only do this like once every week. I don't do it frequently, but I have to start doing it frequently because there are a lot of benefits. And also make use of camwood powder and coconut oil, or camwood powder and almond oil. Also, you don't necessarily have to use palm kernel oil. So you guys should give it a try out. You guys should definitely give this recipe a try out. And yeah, I think we've come to the end of this video, guys. If you did enjoy this video, please do well to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.